modern banana. It's a monocrop experiment. Let's use the WPI to see just how far it's fallen from wild. Let's start with wild, self-sourced bananas. Species like Musa cuminata and Musa balbisiana are the wild progenitors to common bananas. They tend to have large, hard seeds, little pulp, and are very fibrous. They are extremely genetically diverse and grow in native tropical forest ecosystems. In the wild, they can propagate through seeds or vegetative cloning, which is where they send up suckers called pups from underground rhizomes in order to reproduce. This is technically cloning, but it occurs within a genetically diverse seed-producing population. Wild outsource isn't really a thing, except maybe in remote jungle communities where people are actually wild harvesting and maybe selling it at a jungle market. Then we have wild cultivated bananas. These can be found in indigenous agroforestry systems in Melanesia, Papua New Guinea, and Thailand. There they will be planted in forest edges and also mixed with other crops. There's also research centers that grow wild bananas for genetic preservation and conservation research. Additionally, you can find specialty permaculture and food forest projects growing them as well. Now we cross the line of domestication into heirloom bananas. These are bananas that are usually a hybrid of the two main banana species. They are pre-industrial cultivars that are regionally adapted and usually grown by small farmers. Some examples include red bananas, blue java, burro, and traditional plantains. These were selected for reduced seeds, increased flesh, and parthenocarpy, the ability to reproduce without seeds or fertilization. Then we have certified organic bananas. This is where bananas really get refined. Now we're talking about a very narrow amount of cultivars, almost exclusively the Cavendish cultivar. These are genetic clones, every single banana carrying the exact same genetic blueprint. In this year, bananas are endangered due to threat of fungus because they have no genetic diversity to protect them. So although there is a limit to the amount of synthetic inputs, they're still monocrop, they're still cloned, and they're still ripened with ethylene gas. Then we have conventional bananas. These are most bananas produced today. Monocrop, sterile, cloned Cavendish bananas grown with almost no regulation for synthetic inputs, grown with plenty of pesticides, fungicides, and chemical fertilizers. These replace the Gros Michel banana, which was the origin of the signature banana flavor you found in candy, which was wiped out by Panama disease. And then finally, engineered bananas. A recent phenomenon where the Cavendish banana was genetically altered to withstand Panama disease. And the gene that they got to combat the fungal threat, it came from a wild banana. So when choosing bananas, don't go for the common clone. Instead, opt for smaller, less uniform, and more diverse varieties. They have way better flavor anyways. Which food should I do next?